At Coastal Hearing Centers, we believe in creating patients for life. From the moment you call our office, our focus is on providing you with expert hearing and balance health care in a warm, compassionate environment. During the initial appointment, we will begin with an interview which will help us assess and understand the symptoms of hearing and/or balance disorders you have been experiencing. From there, we will complete a series of diagnostic hearing tests to help us assess the type and degree of hearing loss you may be experiencing. If balance or dizziness is a problem for you, we will schedule you for additional testing specifically focused on the balance systems. Once all the appropriate testing has been completed, our doctors of audiology will explain in detail the test findings as well as describe the personal implications to you. Various rehabilitative options will be presented based on the specific test findings as well as your unique lifestyle and communication needs. I assure you that together we will find the optimal solution for your hearing or balance needs.